This regression, slipping to an earlier stage of development when faced with stress. Example natin dito, due to pressure of college, Tom starts sucking his thumb. No? So meron siyang nagre-regress siya when it comes orally. Ano pa? Example nito, kapag yung bata na potty trained or naturuan siya mag-poop, bigla siyang iihi or mag-exhibit siya ng immature behaviors kapag alam niya na magkakaroon na siya ng kapatid. Something like that. Kasi threatened siya. No? That's regression. Nagre-regress ka on the earlier stage or less mature stage ng development due to a stressful event. Difference with repression versus suppression, add na rin natin siya. No? When we repress things, it's unwanted impulses or thoughts being unconsciously pushed out of awareness. Unconscious siya. But if we suppress or suppression, it's deliberately trying to forget or not think about painful or unwanted thoughts. Conscious siya kapag suppression, no? Alam mo, pero pinipilit mo siyang kalimutan. Or, alright.